Setup and installation of the RH hood. The cabinet face panel must be attached prior to installation of the hood into the kitchen cabinetry. To do this, follow the following steps. Remove the unit from its box and place it on a flat surface with the exhaust opening down. Make sure the drawer is free and has room to move out of the housing. Plug in the power cord, then wait 30 seconds after the unit beeps. Press the upper part of the front panel. Or use the remote control to extend the drawer from the housing. Unplug the power cord. Remove both filters from the open drawer by pressing them back into the housing, then lifting the front edge up and out. This exposes two wing nuts and large plastic washers that secure the metal front plate to the fan drawer, as shown in Figure 6 of the installation manual. Unscrew and remove the wing nuts and the washers. Remove the front plate by sliding it down so the hooks on the plate disengage from their slots. Fasten the metal front plate onto the inside of your face panel provided by your cabinet maker using the screws in our kit. The metal plate should be centered horizontally and offset at the bottom by 7/8 as shown in Figure 7 of the installation manual. Install the front panel assembly back on the unit by sliding the hooks into their slots, centering the studs and plastic spacers on the plate into the holes of the drawer, and replacing the plastic washers and wing nuts. Replace both filters. Note, the hood will not operate unless both filters are installed. Plug in the power cord. When you do this, the drawer will automatically retract into the housing. You can now unplug the unit as it's ready to install into the cabinet. Installation into the cabinet. Please refer to page 5, Figure 1 of the installation manual for all dimensions. Shown here is a panel-ready unit installed into the cabinet that has been prepared specifically for this application. The RH hood vents through a 23-inch wide by 2.5-inch deep rectangular duct at the top rear of the unit. The rectangular duct is connected to a standard 8-inch round duct, and location is specific adapter is sold separately through RH Ventilation or your local distributor. Please refer to page 6, Figure 2 of the installation manual for ducting details. Also shown is the RH hood finished with a removable double shelf made specifically for this application.